Want to bring your Unreal Engine 5 worlds to life? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fully dynamic, realistic day and night cycle step by step. Perfect for open worlds, survival games, or any project that needs smooth lighting transitions, and it's easier than you think. Go to the Content Drawer settings and enable Show Engine Content and Show C++ classes. Search for Sky Sphere and drag it into the scene. Then search for Skylight and drag it to the scene. Finally, look for Directional Light and drag that to the scene. In the Details panel, set the rotation Y to -90. Change the mobility to movable. Under Intensity, set the value to 2.8 lux. Next, select the sky sphere in the World Outliner. In the Details panel, set the Directional Light Actor property to the directional light you just configured. Go back to the Content Drawer settings and disable Engine Content and C++ classes to keep things clean. Open the Level Blueprint. Create a variable, named Day-Night Speed. Set its type to a float. Compile and set the default value to 30. Right-click and add Custom Event, name it to Time Cycle. Connect it to the event Begin Play. Make the window smaller and highlight and drag Sky Sphere, Directional Light and Skylight into the event graph. Select the Directional Light and add Actor Local Rotation. This rotates the sun over time. Split the Delta Rotation pin. Get World Delta Seconds and multiply it by Day-Night Speed. Connect it to Delta Rotation Y. This controls rotation speed. Get the BP_Sky Sphere and connect it to Update Sun Rotation to sync the sky. After this, drag out and get a branch node. From the Directional Light, get Actor Rotation and split the pin. From the Y, get a less than and greater than nodes. Set the comparison values to 75 and 60, then connect both to an and Boolean node. From the true output, add a sequence node followed by a do once. From completed, add a timeline. Rename the timeline to DayNightTL. Add a new float track. Add a key, set time and value to 0. Add another key, set time to 5 and value to 1. Highlight both keys and set them to auto. From the finished output of the timeline, add a sequence node. Connect then 0 to the reset input on the do once node to allow the event to repeat. From the then 1 pin, drag out a delay node and set its value to 0.01 seconds. From the completed pin, call your custom event that handles the cycle. On the false output, add another branch node. From the return value y, create two comparisons, one that checks if the value is less than 0.0, and another that checks if it is greater than -15. Connect these to an and Boolean and hook up to the condition. Copy the relevant nodes and paste them below. Connect the true output to a sequence node, and connect the completed pin to the reverse input of the timeline. Connect the then 1 pin to the reset input on the do once node. And also connect the false output to the delay node. Duplicate the directional light. From the directional light, drag out and create a set intensity node, then connect it to the update pin on the timeline. From the new intensity, create a lerp node. Connect the alpha to the track 0 on the timeline. Then set A to 2.8 and B to 0.01. Repeat the same process for the skylight. Set A to 1.0 and B to 0.01. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine 5 content. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.